The OnePlus 8 series has officially launched in the global market, and soon after the lockdown it will be appeared in the Indian market also. The OnePlus 8, 8 Pro and the wireless headphones was launched globally at starting price of $699, $799 respectively. The OnePlus Z was one of the most anticipated smartphone which was missing from the lineup. Also, a tweet from the OnePlus China confirms that the OnePlus Z will be launched soon. The device also comes with MediaTek Dimensity 1000, which was launched around 2019 December. The MediaTek 1000 Dimensity is one of the favorite chipset for Indian markets and which is more efficient, power efficient and lesser in budget. In terms of specification, the OnePlus Z is rumored to be having 6.4-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with 90Hz refresh rate. The camera department comes with triple rear camera setup. The primary camera will be having a 48-megapixel Sony IMX586 sensors. The battery capacity will be also 4000 mAh that supports 30-watt rope charge. There will be two variants, 6GB 128 and 8GB 256. About the pricing section, the rumor says that OnePlus Z will be priced at $399 and less than $30,000 in the Indian market. The design leaks shows that the OnePlus Z is almost similar to the Galaxy S10 Lite in terms of back camera design and the front punch hole camera system design. The major thing that differentiates the Galaxy S10 Lite with OnePlus Z is the Snapdragon chipset versus the MediaTek chipset. It's one of the major differences in both these phones, which will make them be chosen. As shown in the leaked images, the OnePlus Z will be having a center hole punch camera system, whereas the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro is having a side hole punch system. Also, the OnePlus Z will be having an on-screen fingerprint scanner, same as of the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro as shown in the leaked images. The rumors also say that the OnePlus Z will be a rival for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite because of the similar design and almost similar specs. But we don't know how the market will accept a OnePlus smartphone with MediaTek SoC. Since the OnePlus Z will be having a better MediaTek Dimensity SoC which will be lower in budget, so the price can be coming in under 30,000 rupees, which is a sure thing. So the AI fast and massive memory, which is almost similar to MediaTek Helio P90. Even we know the OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro's prices, but as per the new GST and market prices, the OnePlus 8 Lite price need to be calculated because it's having MediaTek SoC, which is less budget than the Snapdragon. As per the rumors, the OnePlus Z production is undergoing, but the launch will be delayed due to the coronavirus situation or the lockdown is continuing for months. We can expect the launch in the late summer and let's watch for that. Please note your doubts in the comment section. I can check later. Please note your thoughts also. Please subscribe the channel for new videos, tech updates and all. Thank you.